Hey, this is my Dyson V8 and I am upgrading the battery to the what you call DW20V or Dewalt adapter. So right now this is the original. And then now I have this.
Wow!
I'm using 20 volt. This is the one I just purchased. DW20V. And sorry for that. And I just pull out like that. There's a screw on it. And you need to put it there on that side. So now let's see if it is working. It is working. And you see there's a green light also flashing to it. And the indicator and the battery also on that side. Nice. There we go. Just pop it like this. To the original. Sorry, I'm using only one hand. That's my review on this item. Battery adapter DW20V8. That means V8. DW means Dewalt 20V. And lithium battery, everything right down that side. This is item that I bought in eBay. As you can see, just like that. Snap it like this. Well, this is attached in there. I'm just showing you how you change your battery easily. You're not gonna run out on this. Well, this is 45 minutes through my experience, so there's no problem on it. In the future, we'll see. Am I gonna change it to this one for my convenience? Because I have a lot of cleaning going on, and this is not even enough. Waiting to charge here. Waiting for charging on this is about 2 hours, something more than that. Well, that's my review on my V8 battery adapter upgrade. Alright, aloha. Please like and subscribe.